welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like some months since you guys have seen this face, but I am back. I'm definitely going to keep up this time because last time I kind of fell off the train after the 85 South show. I just kind of got like busy with work and just like stuff like that. So this year is definitely going to be different because I am traveling a lot more. I'm so happy about that. So this year is definitely about traveling and making more content for you guys. So it's not just only going to be makeup, it's definitely going to be makeup, traveling, and food, because since I'm going to be traveling, of course I'm going to try the different foods. Like, how can I not? But back to this video. If you hear a little talking in the back, that's my family. They're just gonna get to the makeup, and plus I have to be quick because I have to go to work at 2:30, and it's like, well, I have to leave here at 2:30, and it's like after 1 already, so I gotta hurry up. So I already washed my face, so what I'm gonna do is moisturize and get right into it because I don't have any more time. I set like 2 alarms. So okay, so I've been like looking for a moisturizer. I decided to try this one out because a local MUA she posted on her Insta stories, and she mentioned this. She said it was the bomb. She said it was the bomb.com. So I was like, you know what? And it's from Walmart. So I was like, let me give it a try. And if it doesn't work out, then I go back to my drugstore high-end brand. You know, this is drugstore technically, but I'll go back to my high-end. I already know what I want to do, so hopefully it turns out really good. I'm going to take my Morphe E29 brush and of course my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in shade dark brown. Since brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my foundation, concealer, and all of that because I am in a rush. And I heard if you do your base first, like your foundation, concealer, contour, and highlight, and all that, blush, that it'll be easier once you get to your eyeshadow because you're just finished after that. So, and for my primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I love this primer. There is a primer that is better than this, but I forgot what it's called that I like to use. I don't know what it's called. Next is another Smashbox primer, but I'm only going to use this in my T-zone area. So I only need a little. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Concealer. This is the shade NC50. I'm going to shake it up. Let's hear what she is. Oops. I'm going to be using my Juno Velvet Sponge to blend everything in. And a trick that I learned is to spray your sponge with your setting spray to get, I guess, like a dewy finish. Don't forget your neck, sis. I know people don't like to use product on their neck, but listen, I got this gobble. I gotta use something. I just can't use expect my beauty blender to have something extra to use on there. Nah, I gotta use some gobble. I gotta use something extra because, yeah. Try not to use that much because Yeah. All right. Of course, I'm also going to use my, I can never say the name, so I'm not even going to try. But I love these Go Drops. I really feel like they do give me, if I can open it, they do give me like a dewy, can I open this? What the freak? Okay, I guess that's going to be a no on the drops because I can't open it, so I'm just going to use my setting spray trick because I can't open them. My Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then to kind of highlight, I'm going to be using my ColorPop No Filter concealer. Next, I'm going to be baking, and I'm going to take my Derma Blend loose setting powder. When I first went into Ulta to get some more setting powder, I originally wanted the Cover FX. I think I'm saying that right, because I've heard that's the best setting. I mean, that's the best loose powder. And then I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm going to use this brown shade right here. That's what I use to contour. I love this palette, by the way. To brush off my loose powder, and then I'm going to be using my Morphe N438 brush to lightly dust off. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my life. Highlight your life. No, seriously. And then, of course, I'm going to be using Becca Cosmetics Topaz highlighter. Look, I'm running out. I need more. I need more. And I also need a highlighter brush because I feel like, let me just go in with my hands. I had a highlighter brush, but I lost it at my friend's house. Okay. Oh, can't forget to snatch the nose. Sorry for my rough looking palette. All the eyeshadows I'm using is coming from one palette, which is the Morphe 35 Hot palette. I love this palette. Yeah. And then I'm going to take my Morphe E17 brush and use the next shade, which is the darkest. Well, the darkest. It's not the darkest, but it's the second darkest. I'm going to take the same brush that I use for my concealer. I'm going to take this Morphe brush, spray my setting spray, and then I'm going to go ahead with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this little green down here. Now that I'm finished with my eyeshadow look, I'm going to put some shadow on my bottom lashes and put some mascara on and call it a day because I don't have time for lashes. Lashes take me at least 10 minutes to put on myself. Mascara, and then I forgot lipstick, and then I will be finished. I like to use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top lashes, followed by Benefit They're Real, and then on my bottom lashes I like to use Benefit Bad Girl Bang It because it really makes the lashes pop on the bottom. I mean, like, come on. I know y'all see the difference. Don't tell me you don't see the difference. Last but not least, I'm going to be using NYX Butter Gloss, and this is Ginger Snap. Seriously? Nope, I'm going to use the lighter shade. So instead, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is shade Praline. Well, wait, hold on, let me fix my hair. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my future videos, especially my travel vlogs. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I won't even tell you to turn on a notification because you gonna see this video. Just subscribe, okay? It's gonna be down your newsfeed. Oh yeah, before I end this video, don't forget to highlight your life. See you next time, guys.